Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to make your PC faster by disabling unnecessary services that slow down your system. And by following this guide, you will experience smoother performance, higher FPS in games, reduced input lag, and faster boot times. So watch till the end to ensure you don't miss any crucial step. And with that, let's get started. The first step is to de-animate Windows for a performance boost. Windows comes with tons of visual animations which look nice but consume system resources. Disabling these animations can free up RAM and CPU power, improving performance. Head to the left bottom corner of your taskbar and then click on the search icon. This will open the Windows search and then type adjust the appearance. Then you will see adjust the appearance and performance of Windows pop up. Click on it to open it. In the performance options window, check adjust for best performance. Once you are done checking adjust for best performance, go ahead and check these two options. Check show thumbnails instead of icons, and then check smooth edges of screen fonts. Once you are done, click on apply and then click on OK. This will result in faster and more responsive Windows interface. The second step is to optimize system configuration for maximum performance. Let's fine-tune our system settings to unlock maximum processing power. Open the Windows search and then type in system configuration. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. Now head to the boot tab and then click on it. Then you click on advanced options. Check the box for number of processors and select the maximum available. Once you are done, click on OK and then click on apply. This ensures Windows uses all available CPU cores for better performance. The third step is to disable unnecessary startup services. Many background services run automatically when you start your PC, slowing it down. Let's disable the ones that we don't need. In the system configuration, head to the services tab. Now head down and then check the box for hide all Microsoft services. Then you can go ahead and disable all unnecessary services except the ones you actively use, like the Nvidia, AMD, and the audio services. You can thoroughly go through to uncheck the ones you don't use or disable the ones you don't use. Once you are done, you just click on apply and then click on OK. Then you restart your PC. For the next step, let's disable unwanted startup apps. Startup applications increases boot time and slow down your system. Let's disable them. You can open your task manager by right-clicking anywhere on your taskbar and then clicking on task manager. Or you can simply press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard. Once the task manager is open, head to the left pane and then click on startup apps. You can go ahead and then disable all unnecessary startup apps. To do that, just select the file that you want to disable a startup option. Then you right click on that app and you choose disabled from the pop-up options. After disabling all unnecessary startup apps, your PC will boot up faster and system resources won't be wasted on background apps. Now, let's continue with advanced services tweaks. Let's disable more unnecessary background services for additional performance gains. Simply press Windows key plus R key on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Then you type in services.msc. Then you click on OK. Then you scroll down until you find sys.main. Once you find it, change its startup type to disabled. Just right click on it and then click on properties. At the startup type, click on it and then click on disabled. Then you click apply and then you click on OK. Why disable this service? This service tries to preload frequently used apps, but it can cause high disk usage and slowdowns. Now, before we move on to the advanced optimization step, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button because this really helps me create more content. Now, let's move on to the next optimization step. Before applying more advanced tweaks, it's essential to create a restore point. To do that, just head to the Windows search and then click on it. And then type in restore point. Then the create a restore point will pop up. Then you click on it to open it. Once it opens, head down and then click on create. If you are unable to click the create option or the create option is unavailable, just click on the configure and make sure to turn on system protection. Once you are done, click on apply or click on OK. You will now be able to click on the create and type in a description to help you identify this restore point. So you can just type in anything to help you remember. So I'll just type advanced optimization. Then you click on create. And you wait for a while as the system creates a restore point. We are creating a restore point in case if anything goes wrong, we can simply restore our system to its previous state. Once you successfully created the restore point, click on close and then click on OK. Now, let's go on to apply the service optimization pack, which is an automated tweak. I've included a service optimization pack that will automatically disable unnecessary services in just a few clicks. You can find the download link in the description. Download the service optimization pack and then extract the zip file and open the folder. You will see 3 CMD files. Right click on each one and select Run as Administrator. For the first one, it disables memory compression, and it does so by disabling MMA agent services. So you just right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator in a pop-up list. Then you click on Yes. Once the process is done, you can click on any key to continue. I have already disabled these services. That's why I'm having this error saying the shutdown operation failed. In case you've not disabled yours, you can use this CMD file to disable them. Once you are done disabling, press any key to continue. Now let's move on to the next one. We disable unnecessary services. Right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes when the user account control pops up. For this CMD file, it disables unnecessary services, and you'll be asked, are you sure you want to continue? Just type in yes and then you press enter on your keyboard. And you'll be given options here, which is the type of disabler, whether basic, standard or advanced. Go ahead and choose standard disabler for balanced performance. So just type in standard. Then you press enter on your keyboard. The script will automatically apply optimizations and close when done. And then I give credit to Everything Tech for making these two possible. Now let's move on to the last one, which is useful tweaks. Right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes once more. This one automatically enables useful tweaks. The script automatically apply these optimizations as it did in the first and then the second one. Once it completes, it closes automatically. That's the end of this tutorial. After applying these optimizations, you should restart your PC and test the performance improvement. These optimizations are helpful because after applying them, you get faster boot time. It also lowers CPU and RAM usage. You also get higher FPS in games and then better overall system stability. That's it for today's video, guys. By disabling these unnecessary services, you can make your PC run significantly faster and improve your gaming experience. If this guide helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more PC performance tweaks, and then comment below if you noticed an improvement. And I'll catch you in the next one.